So I wanted to talk to you about things I've bought recently, which really fall into the category of packing for holiday. So there are 3 weddings. Each wedding has 2 to 3 events. And frankly, it's like kind of slim pickings. I got nothing. Now, as I think I will mention earlier in this video, I am going to some weddings. Jen and I are also going to Croatia for a bit of a sunny beach holiday. I love this site called Imparfaite. Really well curated secondhand European stuff, 50s and 60s and 70s and 80s. I have bought this really cute little crochet dress. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday. It went back to the depot. I can't help it. I have been tracking this, procrastinating, refreshing, like every few minutes to see where the driver is because I don't want him to miss delivery again. And I really want to see this dress and share it with you. Also, I have sold some things, a pair of shorts, and I'm trying to sell a pair of pants, a little bit out of season. So I want to make a couple more purchases. The dresses that I showed you yesterday, I think I'm not gonna keep those, but I have got now a new ruffly top that I hope to wear with my tuxedo pants and these silk trousers for the cocktail party portion of a couple of weddings in Portugal and Italy in October. The thinking is that I will cobble together some cocktail attire from what is already in my closet, which I think is a sensible thing to do. I don't really have, I got nothing. This is where we're at. And the other thing about this is that today, one of my plans to further this fun enterprise of packing for holiday and shopping was to go get these pants tailored because they're like really long. This is crazy. The thing is, I've been waiting all day for this silly package to be delivered. Of course it says from like 10 to 6. It's made me like incredibly unproductive today, thinking constantly about when will this dress arrive? Will this dress arrive? Am I ever gonna get this dress? Will I have to go to the depot and pick it up myself? Can I leave the house? Should I go get my tailoring done? How do I focus? All of these questions, all for a crochet dress. And there you have it. I will be back if and when the doorbell rings. Wish me luck. Something exciting just arrived. I got this little basket secondhand. This is not a sponsor. It's like straight up something I'm obsessed with. Isn't this adorable? It's really old. It's from, I think the, well, 70s it said, but it's in like absolutely perfect shape. So has everything I've bought from here been. I've gotten like a little Austrian sweater from the 50s. I'll show you. Imparfaite, if you're out there, I would do a sponsorship and I would be evangelical. This is the little sweater I got. I think it's adorable. Look at these little flowers sewn on and the buttons, so perfect. And it's like a non-designer Vestiare Collective with way better prices. When you see me skipping down the sidewalk with my little basket, you can find one for yourself. They do international shipping. Boy, I would be such a good spokesmodel for Imparfaite. What the hell? I just sold these cute shorts. Gotta ship them off. I think this is perfect. So, these adorable little summer shorts from La Veste. One of my favorite brands ever. Not a sponsored video, I wish. Anyway, somebody just bought them on Vestiare Collective. I sell things on there periodically. If you would be interested, I will link that down below. And I'm trying to do a one in, one out type of situation. Maybe write a little thank you card. My first actually shameless self-promotion. I may have mentioned Max Decorum in my thank you card. This is an exciting moment. I apologize for the state of myself in my room, but I thought I would open this with you in the theme of my recent acquisitions. These are some dresses I ordered for sale on Netaporter to consider wearing to some weddings. These may not work, but I appreciate your thoughts. This one, a little lame for a party. Let's see what we think. I mean, I wouldn't wear these, but just for height. What do we think? Is it too much for a wedding? I mean, is this too much? Okay. Dress number 2. I don't know yet how I feel about this. It's definitely got some like mermaid vibes, and that fulfills a lot of childhood fantasies. Green was like a theme in the sale. Also very high slit. This might be a little too tight for me. I don't know. I think my hips might be a bit wide for this one. I've decided this is going back. It was £112 on sale from Reformation. It just doesn't fit around the hips, so we're not going to keep anything that isn't perfect. It's a waste of money and self-esteem. We're still thinking about the other. We're going through everything in my wardrobe. We're considering what is potential wedding attire. These are a pair of pants I got like years ago. Option 2, totally forgot I had these. Tuxedo pants. Also, they need to be taken in. Getting desperate here. I've become quite fussy because I don't have much of a budget for clothes, so they've got to be perfect. Doing this suit for one wedding, which you have seen in earlier videos. It's fabulous. It's by a brand called Blase Milano. I adore them. That's covered. Anything fancy. You could do this like also Maria de Lourdes New Year's Eve dress. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I don't have anything. Shit. I could wear this. Water, water everywhere, and not a drop to drink. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I appreciate your call. Yeah, I'll have to be patient. It's going so slow. Okay, well, I will see her next week. Okay, thank you for calling. Appreciate your call. Bye-bye. My face, it still looks really bad. They've told me to be patient. Oh my God, That must be my dress. Well, at least there's this. Good news. Hi. Yes, I am. Of course. Thank you. Take care. Oh my goodness, look at that. How sweet. Okay, here it is. Let's try it on. Do I look like the beach? I quite like it. Gotta beat closing time, but also the rain. Success. And that is a wrap, and my battery's about to die and it's about to pour.